Hello everybody, it is meteorologist Agent Weather Forecast. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys have a wonderful start to the last day of the year of 2018. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. But in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the windstorm threat for parts of the Southwest. I was talking about that in my last video that I was gonna do today. Let's just go ahead and start. So this is a threat for actually today, so New Year's Eve, all the way to January 3rd. So it's a long storm. So this was the storm that we were talking about yesterday, for parts of the Midwest and the plains. But here's the part that it starts to produce all that snow in the Southwest. You can see the snow starts to go for flurries for Salt Lake City and parts of western Colorado. But if we go to actually 12 hours, you can see quite a big difference. In 12 hours, you can see the snow starts to go for parts of the Four Corners, Denver, parts of northern Arizona, northern New Mexico. And you can just see it stretches like that. But the big threat we're really going to talk about is the biggest threat for snowfall out of the system is for the Southwest. So you can see in 12 hours, it hits the Four Corners, so I would not drive anywhere near there, even if you want to visit and you were planning on today. Don't do it, because it's still going to be a desert and snow, and you're still going to be lost you're still going to be far away if you get lost. So I wouldn't risk it. 18 hours, guys, it goes more into central Arizona, more into southeastern Utah, and more into Denver. Really heavy snow for these areas near the borders from Colorado, New Mexico, and Utah and Arizona. So it's starting to move up more south, and you can see 24 hours from now, it gets really heavy at times. From northern New Mexico to central Colorado, it gets really heavy at 24 hours from now. You can see it starts to move a little more in central New Mexico and more into southeastern Arizona. And it does leave Denver, and it does leave Salt Lake City. It starts to leave Utah too. Let's go to 36 hours. 36 hours, you can see a big difference. It is leaving Utah. It's starting to leave Arizona, but not quite. That southern part gonna get some snow. Southern Colorado and central New Mexico, that's part will get some snow for a while. It's just not gonna leave. It's just gonna stay there. Maybe southeastern Arizona can get some significant snowfall. We go to 48 hours. You can see it starts to, like I said, it stays for southern Colorado and central New Mexico. Just there for, I don't know, it's just there for a while. It's like the ridge is just blocking it and letting it stay there with that cold air. 54 hours, it's 60 hours, it's still there for parts of actually the western part of New Mexico. It does leave Colorado, Utah, and Arizona. And by 72 hours, it's gone, and it's maybe some scattered snow in parts of Texas, and then really heavy snow from parts of Texas. But we're not going to be talking about that. But there is a big threat for the Southwest. So let's actually take a look at the European model. Sorry, my voice is like that because I just woke up. So you can see this European model showing really heavy snow for the Four Corners. If you're talking about the Four Corners, it's right here where those four states meet. So up to 4 inches, more snow than expected, more snow than the last storm that came to the Southwest. Really heavy snow for actually the New Mexico and Arizona border, surprisingly up to a foot or 8 inches, 8 to a foot. So that's kind of surprising, especially when it's so close to Mexico, where it's really dry. But central New Mexico, up to 4 to a foot. The southeastern part of New Mexico not really getting much snow compared to the last storm. And then showing maybe up to an inch or half an inch for Denver, and then really heavy snow for southern Colorado, because like I said, that snow is just going to stay for southern Colorado and central New Mexico. So this is the European model. Let's actually take a look at what the GFS model is. But let's actually just take a look, since we are already here. This is this is how much snow is for likely for the Midwest. It is showing a lot less snow than yesterday. So I just want to show you guys, since I'm already here, that. And then some really heavy snow for central Michigan and southeastern Wisconsin. So quite a lot of snow for Madison and all that. But we'll be talking about that later. This is the GFS model. It does show a lot more snow for northwestern New Mexico, and then it just shows it hammering southern Colorado up to 1.5 feet, maybe a bit more snow for Denver, maybe up to 2 inches to 3 inches. Not big of a difference, but still more snow. More snow for actually the southeastern part of Arizona, showing a bit less snow for the northern part of Utah, but it is showing a bit more snow for the southeastern part of Utah. And based on the four corners, it does show a little less snow for exactly on the four corners, but if you move like a mile east or west, there's going to be a big difference in snowfall. So yeah, it's just going to be a very big difference. So this is a GFS model. They are kind of in agreement, but not really. Like, they're 50-50. 50% they're together, 50% they're not really. But they're still pretty close. So this is what the United States is looking like. Wow, is it looking busy? Am I right? Since we're talking about the Southwest too, winter storm warnings have been issued, and then winter storm advisories have been issued in that dark purple around the pink. The dark purple is the advisory and the pink is warning. You can see it right here. And then you can see windshield watch for northern Texas. You do see wind advisories for all the way to Pennsylvania to northern Alabama. Wow, you're probably wondering, what's that weird pinkish color right here? Well, that's actually a freeze watch. So you can see a lot of freeze watches for all the way to northern Minnesota to actually the border of the Arizona. Flood advisories for central Missouri and parts of Mississippi. Warnings for windstorm warnings for northern Maine, and then advisories next to it for parts of New Hampshire, New York, and Vermont. Sorry. You do see in that dark red, they do have blizzard warnings for parts of the Minnesota and the Dakotas border. You can see the first counties near the border are blizzard warnings. That is the storm that we talked about yesterday. Wind advisories for Northern California. Yeah, they're going to get some really strong winds today. And they can just see a lot of advisories in this dark purple. Green Bay is under some advisories, and then central Michigan getting a lot of a lot of snow. So this is what it's looking like. You can just see how busy it is, all the way to freeze watches, to wind advisories, to flood advisories, to blizzard warnings, to special weather statements. Just crazy what it's looking like today. So guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Hopefully it wasn't too long. Just trying to inform you guys with my best knowledge about the significant snowfall for parts of the Southwest. And they do have windstorm warnings, so I wanted to do this too, because for you know what is going on. So guys, yeah, this was the video. Hope you guys have a wonderful last day of 2018. I really hope you guys have a good fun time with that countdown, and yeah, just do whatever you want to do today. If you had a goal, just do it today. So yeah guys, yeah, hope I did my best in 2018. I really hope I can do good and grow in 2019. So guys, hope you guys have a wonderful last day of 2018. See you guys in the next video. Maybe the second. I might not do a video the first, so I don't know. But see you guys in the next video. And bye. Do not forget to like, subscribe.